Space, the final frontier. It has always fascinated and intrigued humanity for millennia. From gazing at the stars in wonder to sending spacecraft to explore distant planets, our curiosity about the universe knows no bounds. But have you ever wondered, what does space sound like? Can you actually hear anything in the vast vacuum of space where there is no air or atmosphere for sound waves to travel through? Let's unravel this cosmic mystery and delve into the intriguing world of space sounds. Firstly, it's important to understand that space is mostly a silent place. Sound, as we know it, is a vibration that travels through a medium, such as air or water, and is detected by our ears. In the vacuum of space, there is no air or atmosphere to carry sound waves, which means that sound cannot propagate in the traditional sense. In fact, the lack of atmosphere is one of the reasons why space is so eerily silent. However, despite the absence of traditional sound, space is not completely devoid of sounds and There are various phenomena and events in space that produce electromagnetic waves or vibrations that can be converted into sound waves and heard through specialized instruments. These sounds are not audible to the human ear in space, but they can be converted into audible frequencies for us to listen to. One of the most well-known space sounds is the eerie hum of solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles, mostly electrons and protons, constantly blowing out from the Sun. When these charged particles interact with the magnetic field around planets, such as Earth or Jupiter, they create electromagnetic waves that can be detected by spacecraft and converted into sound waves. These sounds are often described as a haunting, otherworldly hum or a crackling noise, and they give us a glimpse into the dynamic interactions between the Sun, planets, and their magnetic fields. Another fascinating space sound is the eerie and whistling and of radio waves emitted by planets and moons in our solar system. For example, Jupiter's moon Ganymede emits a low-frequency radio wave that sounds like a ghostly whistle. These radio waves are generated by the interaction between the planet or moon's magnetic field and charged particles in its environment, and they can be captured and converted into audible sounds. In addition to these natural space sounds, there are also human-made sounds that have been transmitted into space. For example, the famous and golden record and aboard the Voyager spacecraft contains a collection of sounds from Earth, including music, greetings in different languages, and various natural sounds such as thunder, wind, and waves crashing on the shore. These sounds were intended to represent humanity and our planet to any extraterrestrial civilizations that may encounter the spacecraft in the future. In recent years, NASA and other space agencies have also started using sonification techniques to convert data collected by spacecraft into sound, allowing scientists and the public to listen and to the cosmos. For example, data from telescopes that detect light waves beyond the visible spectrum, such as X-rays or infrared waves, can be transformed into sound waves, creating a unique auditory representation of the data. This has led to the discovery of new cosmic phenomena, such as black holes and singing and or stars and whispering and providing us with a new way to explore and understand the universe. In conclusion, while space may be silent in the traditional sense, it is not devoid of sounds. Through specialized instruments and techniques, we have been able to capture and convert various electromagnetic waves and vibrations into audible sounds that give us the unique perspective on the cosmic world. From the eerie hum of solar wind to the ghostly whistling of radio waves emitted by planets and moons, and even the human-made sounds transmitted into space.